How to share screen on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily share your screen on WhatsApp. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your WhatsApp and then tap on the chat where you want to start the call. So you're going to have to start a video call in order to share your screen. What I'll do is just tap on this chat right here and then just go ahead and tap on the call icon at the top, video call. And if they pick up the call, your screen should look something like this. And then from here, all you have to do is simply tap on the three dots and you'll have an option to share screen there. Tap on it. And now you can just tap on continue and then start now. Now you're successfully starting to screen record right here. And now, whatever you show it on the screen, the other person on the call will be able to see it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.